Hi everyone, welcome to SKSecOps channel. Today we will be understanding some of the commands which were left in the Dockerfile instructions. So let us consider first command, which is the add command. Add command is like a copy command, but it has some superpowers. So what are those superpowers? So it supports URLs and as well as archival extraction. So what exactly mean by supporting of URL means it can download any files from that URL, and also it extracts any archival files like tar files into your container. So you can see the syntax. So in the Docker file of this add command. So first we are having the add, and then followed by any of the URL, and we are providing the container path. So whenever you build any image, so it will download this particular file, it will extract and it will place it in the container path. So this is about the add command. So the next command is the run command. So this command runs any shell commands while the Docker image is being built. For example, you might use it to install packages or update your system inside the image. So you can see the syntax. Okay. So it is having the run command followed by some apt get. So these are some of the package managers for Ubuntu operating system. So if you want to update your system, or if you want to install some of the commands like curl command, so then definitely you can use the run command. So it simply executes command during your image build. So this is about run command. Then the next command is the user command. So this user command generally sets which user will run the container. For example, you can see there is a user called root. The container will run as root user. But in real world, we should not use any root user. Instead, we can use some other users with having less privileges to secure our container. So this is all about the user command in Dockerfile. Let us discuss about the fourth command, which is the entry point. So the entry point sets the main executable for the container. So what exactly mean by this setting up the main executable for the container? So the executable means, so for example, you can see here the nginx. So nginx is the command which needs to be executed. So if you take any Node.js application, in Node.js application, we have npm package manager. So that npm needs to always execute. So in such scenarios, you can go with the entry point. And I have created one of the video which clearly explains in a deeper way related to the entry point and as well as the CMD. So you can check that video in my playlist. Now let us go to the next command. The last command for the day is CMD command. The CMD is the default command that runs when the container starts. You can override it when you start the container. It's like a default behavior. So you can see in order to start the Nginx, so we are having the CMD command, and we are giving some -g and daemon of, so which helps us to start the Nginx web server. So this is about the CMD command, but even here we can override these commands. We can simply pass some other commands as well. So during the runtime, it will override these arguments. So whenever you pass any arguments during the container runtime. So these commands will be overridden. So, and also entry point will not be overridden, but CMD will be overridden. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you so much.